In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Google AdSense and get approval. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to monetize their website and start generating revenue through ads. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll need to sign up for Google AdSense. If this is your first time doing this, it's quite straightforward. Head over to the Google AdSense website. Over there, you'll see an option to sign up now. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to fill in your website and contact details. Make sure to double check your website URL and ensure all your information is accurate before you submit. It's crucial that everything matches up because this will be reviewed by Google for approval. After submitting your application, you'll receive an email from Google AdSense notifying you that they've received your application and are reviewing it. It typically takes a few days for Google to get back to you, so be a bit patient during this period. In the meantime, ensure your website has quality content that abides by Google's policies, as this will increase your chances of approval. Once you receive your approval email, it's time to log into Hostinger Website Builder or WordPress, whichever platform you're using. If you are using Hostinger, after logging in, navigate to your dashboard. From there, go to the settings where you can add custom code. Similarly, for WordPress, head to your website's admin panel and look for options to add code to your header or through widgets. Now let's insert the AdSense code. You'll find the code snippet you need on your Google AdSense dashboard once you're logged in. Copy the snippet carefully without altering any part of the code. Head back to Hostinger or WordPress and locate the section where you can insert a header code or add a widget. Paste the AdSense code there. This process allows Google to display ads that are relevant to your website visitors. Once you've inserted the code, it's important to save and publish your website. On Hostinger, click on the Save button and ensure you publish changes. For WordPress users, after pasting the code and saving, you will need to ensure that your site updates are published as well. This enables Google to start displaying ads on your site. Finally, you'll want to monitor your ads through the Google AdSense dashboard. Log into AdSense regularly to keep an eye on how well your ads are doing. The dashboard provides a wealth of information, such as click-through rates, CPM, and overall earnings, which will be invaluable for optimizing your ad strategy. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Google AdSense. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to turning your website into a source of revenue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials.